Dharma Shakti here. It is great to be with you on yet another Monday. Hey, so I would love to talk about this quote or this saying. I'm not sure who said it. It's just been relayed to me, and it really hit home, and I thought maybe it would hit home with you too. So here it goes. The quote is, when you're in the picture, you can't see the picture. Yeah, let's just take that one in for a minute. When you're in the picture, you can't see the picture. So a lot of us, we have these things in our lives that we want to change, we want to figure out how to make better or get out of, or we want it to evolve, or we want to stop something, or usually we're just looking for a change, transformation, and we're not really sure how. Like, we know where we want to go, we know what we want to be, but we're not sure how. And this is why taking time to step back and to step away, to retreat, to withdraw, to hibernate in some ways, to be introspective, really removing yourself from the picture so that you can look at the picture that's there, your life, whatever the situation is or the circumstances. Being able to look at it requires you stepping back. So we really need to take time out of our lives to step back from situations. That may be like just taking a night to like sleep on it, so to speak, or not sending that text message right away, or stepping away for a weekend, or stepping away from a friendship for a little bit, or stepping away from a work responsibility or a work relationship or a job. Like just taking a leave of absence. Sometimes it's just, taking that leave allows us to get a fresh perspective, because when we're all up in it, and the mud is all over our face, and it is hard to see clearly. It gets all up in our eyes, and it gets messy, and it's hard to see. And so stepping back is what gives us that really broader perspective of the situation. This is why international travel is great. This is why going on retreats is great. Taking a vacation. I know for me, when I get away, I go out of the country, especially when when I'm in Nepal or India, I feel like I can connect to like the real me, because I'm removed from all the everyday stuff, and I don't have all the stress, because it's all just on pause for a little while, and I get greater perspective on myself, and I get greater perspective on the situations in my life, because I'm looking at it from a different place, and it really is a place of clarity and unplugging and not being all in it. So my friends, I am just, I'm sharing this with you because maybe you need to take a moment to step back from something, whether it's just like to take a breath, or to take a day or two, or to take a week, or to take a month, or to just take a break. Sometimes we just need to step away from the thing so that we can get clear about the thing. With that being said, I just would like to throw in another quote here, right? You never miss the water until the well runs dry. And so sometimes it's in the stepping back and stepping away that we get clarity on, like, wow, I really miss that thing, or oh, I feel really great without that thing. Whether that thing is a job or a person, a relationship, a situation, a belief. And so I really encourage you, 2020 is right around the corner, and we have an opportunity right now to make some changes before we roll into the next year. And so just take some time to look at your life, and is there like a picture in your life that you're wanting to change the story or the narrative on? How can you step back and away from it for a little bit, whatever that little bit is for you? Just give yourself that time. Step back and away, let the dust settle, and just in that space, let yourself gain some clarity and some perspective and some wisdom, because you can look back. When we're all up in our lives, we're all up in the busyness, we're all up in the story, we're all up in the drama and the emotion, we're just like we're swimming in the sea. We're just swimming in the sea, and it's exhausting. But when we can step back and like sit on the shore and watch the waves, we get a broader perspective of like what we were swimming in. Like I used to surf when I was in high school, and I was always amazed at like when you're on the shore, you look at the waves and you're like, wow, those aren't that big. I can totally head out there. And then you get out there and you're like, oh my God, these waves are big. Your perspective changes from when you're looking and when you're in it. And both perspectives are necessary and valid. I'm just proposing that, like, have you checked both perspectives? Have you really taken the time to look at it from those angles, or are you just only seeing it from one place? So my friends, I encourage you, find some time before the end of the year to get some perspective on your life. You know, even if nothing is going wrong, it's good to just step back and, like, look at the big picture and go, am I okay with the picture? How can I make the picture better? How can I improve it? How can I fine tune it? How can I change the narrative if I so want to? But you got to take time to step back and out of the picture so that you can see the picture. So I hope that you take some time to reflect on this and ponder these thoughts and these ideas. I hope that you find them helpful in your life, and they're only as helpful as much as you apply them. Right? Thinking about them is great, but we have to start to apply these things. So even if you only spend 10 minutes jotting something down in a journal, please take some time to do this. If you only spend 5 minutes in the shower with your mind clear and you're contemplating this thing, please do that. You know, just take some time to apply this information. Don't just watch the video and be like, wow, that sounded great. I feel better because I just heard something that made me feel better. But really what's going to make you feel better about your life and about yourself is if you take this information, these ideas and concepts, and you put them to practice in your life. That's where the magic happens. So, you know, we have just a few weeks left till we roll into 2020, and we are in a really special window of time right now where a lot of change can happen. So I encourage you to contemplate these things, and if you're looking for a way to step back in a way and gain greater perspective, I just really quickly would like to remind you that I have a retreat coming up December 6th through the 8th happening here in Southern California. It is going to be in Sunset Beach. We have some really amazing stuff planned, myself and Karina Nickerson. The retreat is called Awakening Authenticity, and it's all geared around how do we cultivate an authentic self and how do we live into that authentic self on a daily basis. And so we have a lot of great stuff planned for you with myself and Karina. We bring our coaching skills into this. We bring yoga and meditation. We bring art. We bring visioning. And of course, we feed you delicious, fresh, local, organic, wholesome food, plant-based diet. So if you'd like to join us, Awakening Authenticity is coming up. You can just go to my website, dharmashakti.com. The link will be somewhere down below this video. All right, my friends, I hope you have a really blessed week and that you remember that you just need that perspective. Give yourself some time to find perspective, and you can begin to have some real growth in your life. All right, I hope you go out there this week and you hold your head up high and you keep your heart open wide. Yeah, let's crush it this week. I'll see you next time, my friends. Namaste.